Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why the price of a cryptocurrency goes up and down all the time? Like, how can Bitcoin be worth 30,000 euros, then jump to 60,000 and then go back down? Today, I'm going to explain that to you in detail. How does the price of a cryptocurrency really work? Let's get right into it. First, the price depends on supply and demand. It's just a complicated way of saying the price changes based on how many coins are available and how many people want to buy them. If tons of people want to buy a coin but there aren't many to sell, the price goes up. But if everyone wants to sell their coins and there aren't enough buyers, the price drops. Think about concert tickets or limited edition sneakers. The rarer something is and the more people who want it, the more expensive it gets. Now let's talk about scarcity. Some cryptos have a cap, like Bitcoin. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins in the world. This scarcity gives it value. People think, there won't be enough for everyone, so they want to buy before it's too late. That makes the price go up. But take Dogecoin, for example. It can be created infinitely. So its price has a harder time increasing in the long run since it's not really rare. Emotions also play a huge role. Sometimes people jump in just because they're afraid of missing out on something. That's called FOMO, fear of missing out. Other times, bad news makes everyone panic and pushes them to sell. That's called FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt. These emotions can make prices swing very quickly up or down. News and announcements matter a lot too. A simple tweet can make a cryptocurrency go up or down. Remember when Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin or Dogecoin? Prices exploded or crashed in minutes. Good news, like a country accepting cryptos, generally makes prices go up. Bad news, like a hack or a government ban, can make prices drop sharply. And here's something you might not know. Each exchange platform sets its own price. You'll notice small differences between sites like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. That's because each platform has its own users, its own transaction volumes, and therefore its own prices. But don't worry, the difference is usually pretty minimal. Finally, there are also special technical events that affect prices. Take Bitcoin, for example. Every 4 years, it undergoes a phenomenon called halving. This means the reward for creating new Bitcoins is cut in half. This slows down the creation of new Bitcoins, which can make the price go up. Or burning. That's when a crypto project destroys some of its tokens to make the remaining ones more valuable. So, to summarize, the price of any cryptocurrency works a bit like products in a free market. It goes up and down based on supply and demand, its scarcity, people's emotions, big news, and technical events happening on the network. But here's a warning. Cryptos are super volatile. Prices can change quickly and sometimes for reasons that aren't obvious at all. Always be careful, do your own research, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you want to learn more, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to like this video to support us. See you next time.